guys, welcome back to the Seabourne Kitchen. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to be a part of the family. So today we will be making seasoned fries for you all. So right here we're just peeling the Irish potatoes. So you want to make sure that it's washed first properly. So use your hands, rub it under the water and rub it. And you want to make sure that you peel off all that skin because that skin has some dirt. So you want to get rid of all of that. So after it's washed, you just want to cut the potato in half first. Then you just want to cut it in strips into fries size. So now that we're finished with that, you just want to make sure that your stove is lit and gather a deep pot to throw in the oil. So you want the oil to cover the amount of fries that you're going to put in there, so put enough. So while we wait on the oil to hot, just gonna show you the type of things that we'll be using. So this is mazola corn oil, some salt, some paprika powder, some garlic powder, black pepper of course, and a pack of powdered cheese. So now that testing is already hot enough, you just want to throw in everything, or we throw in half the amount of what we are using. You just want to get a 4 spoon and start to make sure that every fries is covered in the oil. Okay, so the fries should be fried until they are crisp or golden color. So I'm just testing it. I believe that it's ready to come out now. Feel like they are crispy enough. So how to take it out? We do not have a spoon with holes, so we're just going to use a normal spoon and lean it to the side to drain off the excess oil. So you want to put it on absorbent paper to absorb excess oil also. This is the second batch, so you're just repeating the process over again. So while we await the fries, we just want to mix all the seasonings together. So this is the paprika powder. You put the amount that you want, a little salt, not too much, and this is the garlic powder, and it comes by the bulk. So this is the powdered cheese. That's about half the package. Just want to throw all of that in there. And then I want to add the black pepper. And there's no measurement, honestly. Just add to your own desire. Not too much of anything. You can always add more later on. So now you just want to mix everything evenly. So by now the second batch is ready to come out. It's crisp enough and golden in color. So you just want to get them out of the pot now. So the fries are in the container with the absorbent paper. And now you want to put all of that fries in a bigger container to put the seasonings on it evenly. Now we're about to spread the seasonings that we've mixed together on top of the fries, and to stir it to make sure that every fry gets seasoned. You can always add more or none. It's based off your own satisfaction, what you prefer. So we decided to add more seasoning and mix again. at the side, we're going to use some Carl's tomato ketchup. You have the choice to also use hot pepper sauce to make it more spicy. So here is the finished results. You have the option to fry the fries again after you've put the seasonings on it. We didn't, we just went ahead. So this is the final result. Once again, we're thankful for how it came out. We're happy. I hope you liked it. You should try it definitely. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it also. Share it with your friends and subscribe if you haven't as yet. Thank you.